I have a tweet here of the November 28th where Arvind Kejriwal says, under no circumstance will we have any tie-up with BJP or Congress. And he went to the extent of saying on an oath on the head of his children that I will not have an alliance with either, I will not form a government with either.
और बच्चों की कसम है, ना बीजेपी से गठबंधन करेंगे ना कांग्रेस से गठबंधन करेंगे.
On an oath on the head of his children that I will not have an alliance with either, I will not form a government with either.
Circumstances change. Political circumstances. No, hold on.
You can't
political circumstances can change.
You can't bring your children into this picture and then say it. Now that's first. Second,
let me take that to Yogendra Yadav. Yogendra Yadav here is someone who has had a long experience of dealing with the Congress. Says,
I'm glad Mr. Swamy has actually brought out that tweet and our declarations, and I'm very happy he's read it out absolutely correctly. It uses the word tie-up, it uses the word alliance. I wish to underline and say clearly, officially on behalf of my party, we have no alliance with Congress, we have no tie-up with any party, we don't even have an understanding with this. I know it's very hard for Mr. Swamy to believe it because he has seen only one kind of politics, and the proof of the pudding, Mr. Swamy, will come out in 1 month. If we play the kind of game, Congress DMK games that you have seen, then you would have one kind of conclusion. I can hear you, I can't see your face, but I can imagine, Mr. Swamy, because you have known and played only one kind of game. This country is beginning to witness another kind of game. I know it's so hard for anyone to even think about it.
दिल्ली से राज, नरेंद्र रावत और कई दूसरे पाठक ये जानना चाह रहे हैं आपसे कि अगर दिल्ली चुनाव में आम आदमी पार्टी को 34 या उससे कम सीटें मिलती हैं तो उनका रुख क्या होगा?
जैसा मैंने बताया, राज जी, नरेंद्र जी, ये वाला प्रश्न अब थोड़ा सा इमेजिनरी हो गया है,
लेकिन अधिकतर पाठकों ने, मतलब हमें बहुत सारे पाठक सिर्फ एक यही सवाल पूछा.
चलिए ये हाइपोथेटिकल क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे देता हूँ कि मान लीजिए ऐसा होता है कि हमें कम सीट मिलती है और हंग असेंबली आती है, तो हम किसी भी पार्टी, जो लोग हमें वोट कर रहे हैं जी, वो बीजेपी और कांग्रेस के खिलाफ वोट कर रहे हैं, वो बीजेपी और कांग्रेस से तंग आके वोट कर रहे हैं. अगर हमने बीजेपी या कांग्रेस के साथ हाथ मिलाया तो उन लोगों के साथ धोखा हो जाएगा. हम ना बीजेपी को सपोर्ट करेंगे, ना कांग्रेस को सपोर्ट करेंगे और ना उनकी सपोर्ट लेंगे.
This country is beginning to witness another kind of game. I know it's so hard for anyone to even think about it.